In Unit 1, we learned that all music has a regular pulse made up of individual beats, which we can mark out with a metronome, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. In Unit 2, we went on to see how those beats could be broken down into two to create half beats, which gave us this feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But the beat doesn't always necessarily break down into two. Sometimes the beat breaks down into threes, which gives us this feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. When the beat breaks down into three like that, that's called compound time. The opposite is simple time, which is everything we've been doing up to now. When we write music down in compound time, there's a completely different way of doing everything. So you have to be ready to kind of throw away everything that you've learned so far and learn this whole new way of writing rhythm down in compound time. In exactly the same way that in the previous unit we threw away the idea of a crotchet being worth one beat and made a minim worth one beat instead. So let's start to see what it looks like when we write music down in compound time. So here in example 4.4 we have some music written in compound time. We have two beats to a bar and we're counting 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, where this 1 and this 2 represent the actual beats of the bar, so this note lands exactly on beat 1 and this note lands exactly on beat 2. Then these smaller counts are used to represent the subdivisions of each beat into 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. We use quavers to represent these subdivisions, which means that in compound time a quaver is now worth a third of a beat, rather than half a beat like it was in simple time. And the time signature that we use to represent this, 2 beats in a bar in compound time, is 6/8, meaning we have 6 quavers in every bar. We just have to remember that 6/8 is a compound time signature, so it represents 2 beats, each divided into 3. When we want to write a 1-beat note in compound time or in 6/8 time, we use a dotted crotchet, because a dotted crotchet is equivalent to 3 quavers, which in 6/8 time take up 1 beat. That means that in 6/8 time or in compound time, a dotted crotchet is going to be worth 1 beat, whereas in simple time, which we've been doing so far, it's been worth 1.5 beats. To begin with, every beat that we use in 6/8 time is going to have either a dotted crotchet taking up the entire beat, or 3 quavers, one on each of these subdivisions into 3. So we can start getting used to compound time to 6/8 time very quickly and easily with example 4.7. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3.